So we're in not too far from Canterbury, between Canterbury and Rayong, and it's really well known for durians. And we're off the side of the road here. Let's go check out, see what they're doing. 2023, COVID is over, and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok. So stay tuned and check it all out. So we got here, Lance. So are they just cutting it up, Lance, and showing it to you, or are you gonna? Or they should cut it up when you buy it?
Yeah, just cutting it up for me, opening it up. It's about a little less than $10 for this one.
$10.
About $10. Yeah.
How much in that in baht?
$3.15.
315 baht. Okay. So you're gonna cut it up for him? It's about $10 for one durian. And that's the weight as well. You gonna try some here?
I'm gonna try some here.
So there we go. Got some durian right here on the side of the road. I don't know if they grow it. There's a dog right there. And we're kind of off the side of the road here, taking a little road trip in Canterbury. It's kind of a fruit capital, I think. Lots of durian and a lot of trees as well, and a lot of food traffic. This traffic goes all the way to Bangkok. That's another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them. Oh, my